Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve question number 1 from exercise 12.1, chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry. In my previous videos, I have completed the introduction and examples 1 to 7. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. And also watch the whole video till the end so that I can make more such videos for you guys. Now quickly, let us begin with the video. Question number 1 from exercise 12.1, chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry says, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. So before solving the exercise 12.1, I would suggest you guys to solve all the 7 examples which I have done in my previous videos, so that you will know the method or procedure to solve these kind of problems in the exercise 12.1. I know these problems might seem to be difficult for most of the students, so I am going to tell you some tips to solve these problems. Okay, so the first and important step is that you have to read the question properly again and again to understand the question, right? So read question, right? Then the second step is that you have to draw the figure according to the question. Draw figure, right? When you read the question and draw the figure correctly, then half of the problem will be solved then and there. And the third step is you have to recognize a right angle triangle formed with the given situation. Okay, so you have to figure out a right angle triangle, right? Then after figuring out the right angle triangle, obviously they would have given you one angle and one side, and you have to determine any one of the other side, or you have to find out the height, that is the perpendicular side, or you have to find out the base in the given right angle triangle. So therefore, to find out one of the sides of a right angle triangle, we are going to use the trigonometric ratios and we will find out the required side of the triangle. So the fourth step is apply trigonometric ratios, right? So these are the 4 steps you have to follow to solve the exercise problem of this chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry. So the same method or procedure is followed in all the exercise problems. So I suggest you guys to follow these steps to solve the exercise 12.1. So now let us see how to solve this question number 1. So after reading the question, let us now draw the figure. So they have given us that a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from top of a vertical pole to the ground. Here we have a vertical pole. Let us name this pole as AB, and there is a rope tied from the top of the pole to the ground. So this is our ground level. So a rope is tied from top of the pole from point A to point C. Let us name this point as C. So this is the rope AC, which is 20 meter long. Pole is AB. So we have to find out the height of the pole if the angle made by rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So here they have given us that this rope is making a 30 degree angle with respect to the ground. Okay, so here again you can notice that ABC will form a right angle triangle because AB is a vertical pole with respect to the ground. So this makes a 90 degree angle. So we have figured out. So therefore, after reading the question, we have drawn the figure and we have figured out a right angle triangle, that is ABC, which is right angled at B. Right. So here they have given us an acute angle, one angle and one side in this triangle. And now they're asking us to find out the other side, that is AB. So the first 3 steps we have finished. Now our next step is that we will apply the trigonometric ratios to find out the side AB. So first of all, let us write down what is given in the question. So now let us first begin by writing our AC to be a rope. Let AC be a 20 meter long rope. Let AB be the pole. So therefore in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. The pole is vertical to the ground. right? So therefore triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Now since ABC is a right angle triangle with acute angle at C, the side opposite the acute angle will be our perpendicular, side along will be base, and AC will be our hypotenuse, right? Now we have to determine the perpendicular side given our hypotenuse. This can be found out by applying the trigonometric ratios. So to apply the trigonometric ratios, you have to know the fraction, that is PBP divided by HHB, right? So here we have to find out perpendicular given hypotenuse. So which is the ratio formed by perpendicular by hypotenuse? It is sine theta, right? So we will apply the sine trigonometric ratio to find out the side AB. In triangle ABC, sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, where perpendicular side is AB and hypotenuse is AC, right? Where theta is the acute angle, that is 30-degree angle, right? So sine 30 is equal to AB we have to find out divided by AC is how much? It is 20 meter. So what is sine 30? Sine 30, you have to remember the trigonometric table. So this is the trigonometric table which you have to write down before solving the trigonometric problems in your question paper. Okay, so sine 30 value is 1 by 2. So we will substitute here sine 30 as 1 by 2 equal to AB by 20. So let us cross multiply. 20 into 1 will be 20 is equal to 2 into AB, or let us find out AB by sending this 2 to left hand side. So AB will be equal to 20 by 2, where 2 1 times 2, 10 times. So therefore AB is equal to 10 meter. So therefore you can write down the height of the pole is 10 meter, right? So this is how we solve this question number 1 from exercise 12.1. So do follow the 4 steps which I have discussed with you to solve our exercise 12.1 and also our example problems. So this is how we solve this problem. If you have any further doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving question number 2 from exercise 12.1, chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC and SAT Math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry shown on the screen. Thank you.